Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying what Java you have. Open CMD and run Java version to see the current runtime. Once done, download the matching JDK installer for your OS and CPU so binaries align. Make sure to pick the intended major version and note the full installation path, typically C, /program files /java /JDK version. You do this now because subsequent path and Java home edits depend on an exact folder location and matching architecture to avoid runtime conflicts. Next, you create the environment variables. Use setx to assign Java home to the JDK root so tools can locate development files. Include the /m flag for machine-wide settings. Then update path by prepending the JDK bin folder. This ensures Java and javac resolve to the new binaries. Because setx does not affect the current session, close and reopen CMD or sign out and back in so the variables propagate. This step prevents mixed versions and makes command line tools use the updated JD. Finally, verify the update by running Java version and javac version in a fresh CMD window. Both should report the new major version. If you still see the old version, make sure path lists the JDK bin first and remove lingering old Java paths in environment variables. As a last resort, uninstall older JREs or edit system variables manually through Control Panel to eliminate duplicates. If commands still fail, reboot and recheck. Sometimes services cache paths until a full restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.